So this may be hard to believe, but parents of K through 12 students expect to spend more than $600 on back to school supplies. And of course, not everyone can afford it. So starting now until July 27th, the Black Shield Police Association holding a back to school supplies drive. This is cool. They're asking for book bags, pencils, crayons, notebooks, and other supplies. Drop off the supplies at 4097 East 131st anytime from 10 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. They will be donated to the most vulnerable students and families in the Central and Buckeye-Shaker neighborhoods right here in Cleveland.
Well, coming up.